In today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to pair and connect your AirPods Max to a Samsung Smart TV, so you can actually use the AirPods Max to listen to YouTube, to play music, watch Netflix, all that stuff. Now, Samsung makes it extremely easy. So all you have to do is on your Samsung Smart TV, use your remote control and navigate to the left hand side panel and select Settings. Under Settings, find and select All Settings. And then on the All Settings window, scroll down and select Connection. And then go to Bluetooth devices, select that. And that's going to open this little pop-up window, and it's going to start scanning for available Bluetooth devices. So to make your AirPods Max available, put them in Bluetooth pairing mode. And you can do that by simply long pressing on this noise cancelling button on the right ear cup, this one right here. So just press and hold that button until the light here starts blinking. There you go. And that means the AirPods Max are in Bluetooth pairing mode, and your Samsung Smart TV should find them. So as you can see, they've already been found. All you have to do now is select and then confirm you want to pair and connect by selecting that, and they're now paired and connected. So now you can close this, and now the AirPods Max, as you can see in the volume indicator there, are your default sound output device for your Samsung Smart TV. So now you can go ahead and wear them and go ahead and launch Netflix, YouTube, whatever it is, the sound will come through your AirPods Max. So that is basically how to pair and connect your AirPods Max to your Samsung Smart TV. Thanks for watching. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section. If you found this useful, don't forget to leave a thumbs up and even subscribe for more tips. And I will talk to you in the next one. Good luck.